Hello children, how are you today? I hope you are keeping safe. Very good. Our today's topic in nature study is importance of air. Repeat after me, importance of air. And our topic outline is definition of air. Very good. At the end of the lesson, I expect each and every one of you to say what is air and the importance of air. Is that clear, children? Very good. In this picture, you can see a boy blowing air inside a balloon and a picture of an aeroplane. Is that clear, children? Very good. Now, what is air? Air is the mixture of gases. Repeat after me. Air is the mixture of what? Gases. Uses of air. We breathe in air. Breathe in, out. In, out. Very good. Number 2, air helps our plant to grow. Without air, our plant cannot grow. Number 3, air helps us to blow fire and balloon. Number 4, air helps an aeroplane to fly. Is that clear, children? Very good. Did you understand? Is there any question? Good. Very good. So we have come to the end of our today's lesson in nature study. Have a wonderful day and God bless you. Thank you. Good.